So welcome students. So in this question, you're given that you have a function which is 7 minus x px minus 3. So what is the range of this function? So first, let us try to find the domain of this function. So to understand range, first we need to understand where this function is defined. So obviously this is something p something. This will be defined only when the number here is greater than or equal to the number here. That is 7 minus x has to be greater than or equal to x minus 3. So this implies 10 is greater than or equal to 2x. So x is less than or equal to 5. So this function is defined only if x is less than or equal to 5. Now, what are the other conditions that have to be satisfied? The number that you have here should be non-negative. That is 7 minus x should be greater than or equal to 0. That is x is less than or equal to 7, which is also good. And similarly, x minus 3 should also be greater than or equal to 0. X is greater than or equal to 3. So x is greater than or equal to 3, x is less than or equal to 7, x is less than or equal to 5. So all these conditions have to be satisfied for this to be defined. Now, what is the common interval where all these conditions are satisfied? Obviously, x has to be equal to 3, 4 or 5, right? So this function is defined only for x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 5. Now, once the domain is done, the range is nothing but the functional values. So if you substitute x is equal to 3, you get 4c0. So if you substitute x is equal to 4, you get 3p1, this is 4p0, 3p1, and if you put x is equal to 5, you get 2p2. So these are the functional values. So what is 4p0 is 1, 3p1 is 3, 2p2 is 2. So what is the range of this function? 1, 2 and 3. Option A is the right answer. Thank you.